I'm Francis. This is Jack, and this is Scout. And today we're gonna be doing Chapter 9 for Ryan Kelly's school project video. By the way, this book is To Kill a Mockingbird, and it's by Harper Lee. So, but first, before we do this, we're gonna take both these hands, we're gonna rip it in the middle, and I want you to pull apart on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Boy, this is a wonderful dinner, isn't it?
That it is.
No cussing at the dinner table.
You know, cussing's bad, and it's not good for the lips either.
Listen to your cousin Francis.
No.
If you cuss one more time, you're gonna have to leave the dinner table.
Dude, quit being.
Get out.
You know what? I never liked you anyway.
So, Scout, how's your father been?
Old man, very old, like as old as a dinosaur now.
Okay, so, anyway, I've heard some things about your father, and I want to know if they're true.
What things about old man Atticus Finch?
Well, Atticus apparently is helping Tom Robinson. Is this true?
Yeah, that's true. He's helping out the black community.
The black community? Did you just say he's helping out the black community?
Yeah.
Well, your father's no better than a... Ah! Jack. What? Jack. Shut up! Scout punched me in the face.
Are you sure?
Look!
What? How dare she? Scout! Scout!
Coming. Oh.
Get in here.
Not the chair. Didn't even ask for my side of the story.
Well, what's your side of the story?
Francis called Atticus.
Well, let's not tell Atticus about this.
I agree.
Let's try that again. What am I supposed to say?
You're gonna say this is a wonderful
yeah.
You know, I actually have to learn Crawford. I can see you, Crawford.
Boy, this... What? I guess I agree.
You, Jack. Now it's cool kids take Yeah. Oh, I don't like hands! You monster!
Here, I'm gonna get a paper towel for you.
Oh my God, no, don't sit on me. No, stop, Crawford.
Side of the story.
What's your side of the story?
Atticus.
Duke! Shut up!